Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is the first episode of Challenge Chaos. So what Challenge Chaos is, we're going to do a different challenge with these kids and we'll see how chaotic it gets. So Challenge Chaos will be out every second and fourth Sunday of the month. And the first one, as you can see, is the baby food challenge. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, they're blindfolded. And we are going to go with our first one. And I think for the first one we are going to do this one. That's the point.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. So I'm going to get theirs ready and we'll see how they think. Okay, so these are the kinds. I'm going to give you guys the spoon. Everybody reach out their hand. Okay.
I haven't seen my spoon.
That's because I haven't given it to you. Okay. Here, Michael.
No, step.
Okay. Wait, don't put it in your mouth yet.
Why?
Okay, now put it in your mouth and taste it. Taste it, Michael. Put it in your mouth and eat it. Michael, eat it. Cheater.
What?
Just eat it.
That's gross. Oh, I don't want it.
What is it?
It's carrot.
No. What is it, Michael?
Good.
It's good. What is it?
Yeah.
Does it taste like orange?
Yeah.
Or does it just look orange, you cheaters?
Orange. Orange does not taste like orange.
Stop cheating.
Wow.
No. Okay. So, now that they actually have their blindfolds back on, do you guys have any more guesses?
Yes.
What do you think it is, Michael?
Carrot.
It's a challenge, yes.
Peaches.
You think it's peaches? Travis, what do you think it is?
Carrots.
So, it was sweet potatoes. So, they had mixed reviews on that last one. So now we are going to try this one.
What one is it?
You'll find out when you eat it. I will get you guys your stuff now in a second. Michael, please stop cheating.
It's for my eyes. Can I grab my spoon now?
They're not ready yet. I think you guys might like this one.
What is it?
Okay.
Apple, please be apple.
Michael, stop cheating, boy.
I think it's apple. Me too. Mine.
Well, I'm trying to hand it to you, but you don't want to take it.
It's mine.
Wait, don't put it in your mouth yet. Here, Travis.
It's my spoon. What? Hey, I took the wrong finger.
It doesn't matter. Put it in your mouth and stop cheating.
I can't see.
It don't matter. Put it in your mouth. You're not supposed to see.
Apple.
Sarita, put it in your mouth. You haven't even tasted it.
Apple. Yep, apple. Apple.
You guys are right. That is apple.
Yay!
Being blindfolded. And I think
I'm getting sick of this.
the next one we're going to give them is this one. Don't worry about it. Cover your eyes, please.
And we might like it or not. So just enjoy the video.
You may like it. You may not like it.
So just enjoy the video.
Yeah.
What, Michael? Ew.
It was a little watery.
Ew.
Okay, Sarita, hand out. Don't put it in your mouth. And sit in your chair right. And stop cheating.
I was just fixing mine. Can I eat it now?
No, everybody doesn't have theirs yet. No, you're gonna do this one. Close your eyes.
I eat it?
Okay, now you guys can eat it.
Why not my brother?
He got one already.
Now open my eyes.
Sarita, cover your eyes. Stop cheating.
Why open my eyes?
Because you're not supposed to see it.
Beans.
You think it's beans?
Peas.
Peas, Travis?
Yeah, peas.
What do you think, Sarita?
Peach.
Peach. And what do you think?
Peas.
Michael, what do you think it is, Michael?
Peach. I don't like peach.
Peas or peach?
Peach. I don't like peach.
Okay, so Travis is right. It is peas. Good job, Travis. And you didn't even cheat.
Nope.
Okay, put it in. I think the next one we're going to give you is this one.
Strong quarter.
I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you may like it, you may not like it. Let me get you some.
But what if I did?
Michael, nobody needs to know that.
That's not funny. Eat nachos. Michael, is that necessary? I'm talking to you.
Okay, see, Travis, hand up. Don't eat it yet. Sarita, hand. Michael, hand. Give me your hand so you can get the spoon.
You can open it.
No, you cannot open it. You need to put these in your mouth.
Maybe open
No,
it.
I'll put it in your mouth. Michael, stop cheating, boy. Go ahead, guys, taste it.
A banana.
What is it?
Banana.
Okay, you guys are right. That one's good, huh?
Mhm.
That one's my favorite.
I know that one. That's mine.
Okay. Hey, pay attention. Michael, stop cheating. So, now for another one. Should I make it a good one or a bad one?
A good one. A good one.
Okay, but then we're running out of good ones if we keep playing all the good ones.
I mean that one. Good one. That one.
I'm not going to tell you what I'm giving you. I'm not going to tell you what I'm giving you. But this is what it is. And I'm going to get you guys your spoons now.
Yes. I don't know what she's doing.
That's the point. You're not supposed to know what I'm doing.
What is it? Ew, it's chocolate. I know that's
It's not chocolate, Michael.
What
And
is
stop cheating.
What is it?
I'm not telling you. Because you're cheating. Here.
I think it.
Michael, stop cheating because you're giving them hints. Travis, get the spoon, dude.
I can't find the spoon.
Well, it's because I haven't tried to give it to you, so I was trying to hand it out. Okay.
Don't let mine.
Well, what was it?
Strawberry.
You think it's strawberry? Travis, what do you think it is? Sarita, what do you think it is?
Strawberry. Peach.
What do you think it is?
Peach. No.
That was
strawberry.
prune.
Prune. It was so good.
I told you, prune. Yeah. Some people like prunes, some people don't. Give me your spoon, please.
Prune. That's black. There you go. Prune.
Okay. Where's your spoon? Oh, did you put it in here already?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. And I think this is the one I'm going to give them.
Is it bad?
Let's see how it goes.
Is it bad?
I don't know. I don't think I've ever tasted this one.
What is it called?
I'm not telling you because then you would know what it is, silly.
It's prune.
Stop trying to cheat.
It's prune. It's juice. I don't know. That's a good thing. Is it prune or peach?
I already told you. We already got the prune one, and I'm not telling you what this one is. I'm going to tell you. Good luck.
Peach.
Okay. I'm going to let you guys do this. Let's see. Travis, hand. Wait. Don't eat it yet. Let's eat the hand.
Hand by hand.
Wait. Michael, hand. Okay. Everybody eat it.
Good. Potato. Actually, it's.
Here, Michael.
It's
Wipe your
tuna.
mouth.
Tuna with. Tuna. Yeah. I knew it was tuna. Yep, it's tuna.
You're so close, Travis. What else do we make that? What else does Auntie make that tastes like the tuna sometimes?
Potatoes.
No. Come on, see that. What does Carla make?
Mayonnaise.
She mixes mayonnaise in it, but what is it? Chicken.
Chicken. What?
You know, they make chicken salad. That's kind of what it smells like.
I don't like that.
You didn't like that one? Okay, put your spoons in here.
I don't open that one.
Ew. Michael, clean your face, dude. So, everybody cover their eyes. Michael, uncover your nose and your mouth, dude.
Huh?
Uncover your nose and your mouth. Just cover your eyes.
There, I like it.
Okay, and I am going to give them this one.
What one? Rocket. Rubber.
Travis, we can't sing when we're doing challenges because then we'll get in trouble for using other people's songs.
What?
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
What the heck, guys? How will we get in trouble singing other people's songs?
Because they didn't give us permission. Sarita, please sit up and sit where I need you to be, please. Everybody keep their eyes closed. Michael.
No, I do not just said.
Michael. Okay, Travis.
Yes.
Get your hand out, please. Sarita, hand out, please. Come on, Michael. Uncover your face, dude.
Okay.
Cover your eyes. Close your eyes. If you don't want to cover them, close them. You need to be able to see your mouth.
I need to see my mouth.
You don't need to see your mouth. You just need cover your eyes, little girl. Come on, baby. Michael. Come on, they're waiting for you.
Fine. Fine.
No, just eat it.
Pineapple. Then.
You think it's pineapple?
Yeah, peel.
You think it's pear? Well, guess what?
Huh, pineapple.
Sarita's right. It's pear.
So I see a prunes.
Good. But you don't need to be cheating. Okay. Sarita. Michael, Travis, hands out. There's one for Travis. There's one. Sarita, stop cheating. Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys put it in your mouth. Michael, you're going to spill it. Sarita, stop cheating.
Potatoes. Potatoes.
You think it's potatoes? That was squash.
Squash. Oh. The worst fruit ever.
Squash is a vegetable.
Oh. Veggies. I'm not a vegetarian.
You like peas? Peas are veggies.
Only potatoes and all the stuff was sweet. Not squash is not sweet.
You'll get whichever one I give you.
It doesn't take love. It doesn't take nothing.
Okay, you guys focus. Here's one, please. Okay, everybody.
I'm showing up in these 3 napkins.
Don't be gross, Sarita. Nobody wants to know.
Now when we watch YouTube, we're gonna watch that, and then we're gonna see what we're doing. Then we're gonna.
Okay, everybody, close their eyes. We're gonna give them this one. Stop cheating, you guys.
I'm not seeing that.
Michael, uncover your face, please.
Me and my eyes.
You can keep your eyes covered, but you need to not cover your nose. It's not safe. Okay, Sarita. Travis, hand. Michael, hand.
What is it?
Okay, eat it.
Pineapple.
Just eat it.
Orange. Orange. Orange.
Stop cheating, Sarita.
Orange.
I know it's the color orange, but what taste is it?
That had very good taste. Rat.
You think I'd feed you rat?
Or mushrooms.
That was carrots.
I never liked that one. Me either. This one,
Okay,
will they
focus.
be good?
Maybe, maybe not.
Now I'm done, guys.
You guys, sit right, please. We're almost done. I know you guys, this is taking a little bit longer than you want it to, but we're almost done. We only have 2 more. Cover your eyes, please.
I'm putting in my eyes, not my nose.
Right, you cover your eyes and not your nose.
Not my eye, no. I can't see it.
Stop. You don't need to see anything. That's the point of a blindfold.
It's blindfold. Ow, Travis.
Something that goes over your eyes so you can't see.
What you?
I'm not going to tell you which one it is.
Ah.
I mean, yeah, I'm not going to tell you which one it is because then you'll know what the last one is. Actually, you won't because you don't know what flavors I bought. Okay, here, Michael. Stop cheating, Michael.
Right.
Travis, hand.
I need to open them.
Here, Sarita.
Yummy. Now eat it.
Yes, eat it. This one might be a little tricky. So even if you kind of close to what it is, I will tell you if you're right.
Pineapple.
You think it's pineapple?
Orange.
You think it's
Pineapple.
orange. Well, it's called orchard medley. That means it's a bunch of different fruits. Was it good?
Yeah. Definitely. That last one is orange, I bet. I didn't mix mine.
Hey guys,
What was that one?
that one's orange medley. So this one right here is our last one. Everybody close your eyes. I'm not telling you what it is. Close your eyes, Travis. Michael, uncover your face, babe.
My eyes.
You can keep your eyes covered, but uncover your face. Sarita, scoot in. Travis, sit up and put your arms in, dude, so that everybody has room. This is our last one.
Orange, I think. I think it's pineapple. If I think it's orange.
Well, you guys need to wait until you taste it to try to guess, because I know you know what color it is, but you don't know what it is. Here, Travis. Here, Sarita. Here, Michael.
No, whiter than.
Okay, eat. Michael!
Peach.
Give me so I can give you some more.
Peach.
Here.
Yummy.
You think it's peach? Sarita, what do you think it is?
Orange.
Huh?
Orange.
You think it's orange? Michael, what do you think it is?
Travis. Oh, pineapple.
You think it's pineapple? Yeah. Well, that one was mango.
Mango.
Okay, so you guys can take off your hats now.
I like that. I like mango.
Okay, let me see.
I like it all.
Can I have it, please?
I like this
Okay,
one.
listen, we're not there yet. Hold on. Okay, so Michael, which one was your favorite?
Pineapple and peach and that and
Which
bloom.
one? You like the prune one?
Yeah.
Okay. Travis, which one was your favorite? The orchard medley, the bunch of fruit. Sarita, which one was your favorite?
Banana.
Banana. Banana is my favorite too.
Pineapple.
None of them were pineapple, guys.
Peel. Apple.
You liked all the fruit ones?
Nope.
You liked the fruit ones?
I don't even like this.
Okay. So, everybody look at me. Okay, everybody look at me. Hi, I'm over here.
Hi.
Okay, so tell them, if you like this video,
Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up.
comment down below what your favorite baby food is.
Favorite food is.
And don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. See you next time.